Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you a few free gems, if you must, that I found on Artstation. And I'm not sure if these discounts are due to the Black Friday kind of season or if they are long term. Regardless, I thought I would share with you what I found. And also I'm going to provide the links for them, but before that gonna talk briefly about them and what value they bring. If you know me or my channel, uh, hard surface design is one of my biggest interest, but also things like the one you're seeing here is decals, which is useful for hard surface and other projects too, potentially. So, without much pointless talking, I'll just continue to show you all the links that I have. So this one also has all these decals, and of course in my search I tried my best to avoid the cheesy AI stuff. Now when it comes to decals, even if they're made, however they're made, at the very least they're not really reference images, because sometimes you go to Artstation and you find some reference images or images that you initially feel interested in, or images that you want them to be realistic, and then you find out they're basically AI without the artist, quote unquote, uh, claiming them to be AI or not. So, at the very least, even if these were AI without us knowing, at the very least, they're just decals. So, it doesn't really matter that much. Although my preference is always no AI. This would be one example where I think you only get like a tutorial in the free demo and not the geom. Yeah, so it is the tutorial, but even that, I would always feel interested that I would go to their channels, subscribe to their channels, and follow them or give them my support, because these are really precious things that people do and share with the art community. Just a side note. Here we have a kit bash pack, 92 plus pieces. These are free snacks if you must. Can't say no to that. And this here, see, I think this is. So some of them say free sample, which means not everything that you will see in the main image. So maybe just a few assets. Now this one, it's a 20 insert mesh ZBrush. So I really recommend that you watch the video. I would recommend that you follow or subscribe to the artist, because this is a really neat thing to have for your ZBrush. I really enjoyed looking at their workflow and and how easy that process could be in ZBrush. So for me, it was really helpful to have an idea. So this is how you set up the mesh, and this is how it turns out. So it's pretty cool. So again, you get the free demo, and you get to follow these amazing artists. Next, 30 rope and cable base materials. So these are made with Substance Designer. Here are the details. Pretty cool stuff. Next, there is this 400 athletic female photo reference. So here are some examples. These are really good references, and they are not AI, so that's extremely important in this case. It some of you might be interested in AI images. For me, not at all. So I'm not here to tell you what to do or what to pick, but when it comes to preferences, you must avoid AI unless you want characters or creatures. If you must with 6 fingers or 4 fingers, that would be fun, right? Next, I think this is a video, free demo from High Poly Stage, and free tutorials are always great. Really nice, beautiful, detailed fidelity there. And yeah, um, also you get to follow them, so you get to see what they're up to next. 55 IMM brushes. IMM brushes, that means they're for ZBrush. And when you activate the IMM brush, you get to paint these things on the geometry, which is incredible. Just so convenient, so beautiful, satisfying. And I think these are just the sample files. So yeah, you don't have all of these, but rather just the sample that they want to provide for free. 30 shoulder armor base mesh. So you may not necessarily use them, but you get to have this hands-on view where you get to see them, how they're made, and kind of helps the educational process. This is a standard use license, so it's a rifle, and it wouldn't hurt to have free assets. Speaking of which, you have this game ready asset. Freebie includes one of the two silencers as FPX and the texture for it. Whatever you get for free is free, so whatever they have there. Pretty nice fidelity there. Yeah. So I'll provide the links, and I hope this video helps you in your educational process. Thank you.